Imagine waking up one morning and looking out your window to see a crimson sky. The sight is both mesmerizing and alarming, a stark contrast to the usual serene blue that greets us each day. This red sky isn't just a fleeting moment at dawn or dusk, it's an all-encompassing hue that blankets the entire sky, casting an eerie glow over everything it touches. The familiar blue has been replaced with a deep, unsettling red. Buildings, trees, and streets are all bathed in this otherworldly light, making the world look like a scene from a science fiction movie. The change is so profound that it disrupts the normal rhythm of life, causing people to stop in their tracks and gaze upward in disbelief. This unusual phenomenon would be a sight to behold, sparking curiosity and concern worldwide. Social media would be flooded with photos and videos, as people try to capture and share this extraordinary event. Scientists and meteorologists would be inundated with questions as everyone seeks to understand what has caused such a dramatic shift in the sky's color. What could cause such a dramatic change in our sky's color? Is it a natural occurrence, or is it a sign of something more ominous? Experts would begin to analyze data, looking for clues in atmospheric conditions, solar activity, and even potential pollutants that could have triggered this transformation. The color of the sky is determined by how sunlight interacts with our atmosphere. Normally, the shorter blue wavelengths of light are scattered in all directions by the gases and particles in the air, giving the sky its blue appearance. But what if something altered this delicate balance? The blue hue we typically see results from the scattering of sunlight by tiny air molecules. This process, known as Rayleigh scattering, is what makes the sky appear blue to our eyes. It's a phenomenon we've come to take for granted, a constant in our daily lives. However, if the composition of our atmosphere were to change, so too would the color of our sky. Increased levels of certain particles or gases could scatter light differently, resulting in a red sky. This could be due to volcanic eruptions, wildfires, or even human activities that release pollutants into the air. The red sky serves as a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in our environment and how easily it can be disrupted. The shift to a red sky could signal significant alterations in the Earth's atmosphere. One possibility is an increase in atmospheric aerosols, tiny particles suspended in the air. These aerosols could be caused by volcanic eruptions, large-scale fires, or pollution. Another possibility is a change in the composition of the atmosphere itself, such as an increase in greenhouse gases. These gases trap heat and can alter the way sunlight is scattered and absorbed, potentially leading to a red sky. A red sky wouldn't just be a visual spectacle, it could also herald dramatic shifts in weather patterns. The altered atmospheric composition could disrupt normal air circulation and heat distribution, leading to unpredictable and potentially extreme weather events. Regions accustomed to mild climates might experience scorching heat waves or sudden downpours. The delicate balance of our planet's climate system could be thrown into disarray. The Earth's plant life, intricately adapted to specific sunlight conditions, would face significant challenges under a red sky. The altered light spectrum could disrupt photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy. Some plant species might struggle to survive, leading to changes in ecosystems and potential disruptions to food chains. Forests could thin, crops might fail, and the landscapes we know could transform. Section 5. Impact on Earth's fauna. Animals too would feel the effects of a red sky. Many animals rely on visual cues for navigation, communication, and hunting. The altered light conditions could disrupt these behaviors, impacting their survival. For example, birds that migrate using the sun's position in the sky could become disoriented, leading them off course. Predators that rely on camouflage might find themselves exposed, and prey animals might struggle to find food. Section 6. Human health in jeopardy. The impact on human health would be significant. The altered sunlight could affect our sleep cycles, mood, and overall well-being. Additionally, the increased atmospheric aerosols could exacerbate respiratory problems, leading to widespread health issues. The potential for social and economic disruption is immense. Food shortages, displacement caused by extreme weather, and the spread of diseases could lead to global instability. Section 7. A global challenge. A red sky would be a stark reminder of our planet's delicate balance. It would underscore the interconnectedness of our atmosphere, climate, and ecosystems. Addressing this challenge would require global cooperation and a commitment to finding solutions. We would need to invest in research to understand the specific causes of the red sky and develop strategies to mitigate its effects. This would involve reducing greenhouse gas emissions, finding ways to remove aerosols from the atmosphere, and adapting to the changing climate. Section 8. Seeking Solutions and Adaptations. Humanity has a remarkable capacity for innovation and adaptation. Throughout history, we have faced numerous challenges, from natural disasters to technological upheavals, and each time we have found ways to overcome them. Our ability to think creatively and develop new solutions has been a cornerstone of our survival and progress. A red sky would undoubtedly present challenges, altering our environment in ways we might not yet fully understand. The atmospheric changes could affect weather patterns, agriculture, and even our health. However, these challenges would also serve as a catalyst for innovation, pushing us to explore new frontiers in science and technology. But it would also spur ingenuity. Engineers and scientists would be at the forefront, developing new technologies to help us adapt. From advanced climate control systems to innovative agricultural techniques, the possibilities are endless. We would see a surge in research and development as minds from around the world come together to tackle these new problems. We would need to develop new technologies, agricultural practices, and sustainable living methods. Vertical farming could become more prevalent, allowing us to grow food in controlled environments, unaffected by the changing sky. Advanced irrigation systems would ensure that crops receive the necessary water even in altered weather conditions, and ways of life to thrive in this altered world. Communities would need to come together, sharing resources and knowledge to build a resilient society. Urban planning would incorporate green spaces and community gardens, fostering a sense of connection to nature and each other. This challenge could unite humanity in a common goal, bringing together diverse groups to work towards a sustainable future. International summits and collaborations would become more frequent, as nations recognize the importance of working together to address global issues, fostering a sense of shared responsibility for our planet's future. Environmental activists would play a crucial role, raising awareness and advocating for policies that protect our planet. Community meetings and grassroots movements would empower individuals to take action in their own neighborhoods. It would require us to rethink our relationship with nature, understanding that we are not separate from it, but a part of it. Eco-friendly urban planning would become the norm, with cities designed to minimize environmental impact and promote sustainable living, and find ways to live in greater harmony with our environment. By embracing sustainable practices and technologies, we can create a future where humanity and nature coexist in balance. This journey will not be easy, but it is a necessary step towards ensuring the well-being of our planet and future generations. Section 9. Conclusion: a red sky reflection. A red sky, while a hypothetical scenario, serves as a powerful reminder of the fragility of our planet. The vibrant hues of red and orange paint a picture of beauty, but also of caution. It is a visual cue that something is amiss in our atmosphere, a signal that the balance we often take for granted is being disrupted. This phenomenon, though rare, can be a result of various factors such as pollution, wildfires, or even volcanic eruptions. Each of these events releases particles into the atmosphere that scatter sunlight in a way that creates these stunning, yet alarming red skies. It underscores the importance of understanding and protecting our atmosphere, the delicate layer that makes life on Earth possible. The atmosphere acts as a shield, protecting us from harmful solar radiation and helping to regulate the Earth's temperature. Without it, life as we know it would not exist. The red sky serves as a stark reminder that this protective layer is vulnerable and that human activities have a profound impact on its health. From industrial emissions to deforestation, our actions are altering the composition of the atmosphere, leading to climate change and other environmental issues. While the prospect of such a drastic change might seem daunting, it also presents an opportunity for humanity to come together, to innovate, and to create a more sustainable future. Scientists, policymakers, and citizens alike must collaborate to develop solutions that reduce our environmental footprint. This includes investing in renewable energy, promoting sustainable agriculture, and protecting natural habitats. By working together, we can mitigate the effects of climate change and preserve the natural beauty of our planet for future generations. By heeding the warning signs and taking action, we can strive to ensure that our sky remains a vibrant blue for generations to come. The blue sky is not just a backdrop for our daily lives, it is a symbol of a healthy and thriving planet. It represents the balance and harmony that is essential for all living beings. Let us be inspired by the red sky to take meaningful steps towards environmental stewardship, so that we can continue to enjoy the clear blue skies that are a testament to the resilience and beauty of our world.